Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And this is just to mention that the weekly updates that are usually for Google Chrome and Chromium have been pushed to Microsoft Edge. And of course, that also is a message for everybody out there that has a Chromium-based browser like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on to check out for updates, as the blog post for Microsoft Edge speculates that it pushed some bug fixes and also some security updates. So this is something to look at. Of course, you go on the upper right corner at the three vertical dots, you go down to help and feedback. And about Microsoft Edge, now here I'm using the beta version, which is not going to match the version that everybody uses. But if you go to the blog post for Microsoft, you'll see that March the 6th, that's yesterday, Friday, late in the day, there was a update. And here we go, version March 6, 2026 for stable version. Various bug and performance issues and also some security updates, and brings your version to 145.0.3800.97. So you should be safe with the security flaws. And like I said, you got a Chromium browser. Make sure that also it is up to date this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.